Good guys, hi, hello, welcome to our project. So today is day 22 of our project. As you can see, today is day 22 of our project, and this is what we have done. We have built the wall masonry. We also erected this wall now to confirm our good design, the design of our house. So as you can see, we are only waiting to do roofing, which we will be doing in the next day. I think we will be doing roofing, so we'll begin with timbering. So this is our project. The block work is already done. We are in the next process. We are in the next step. As you can see, we have already prepared our timber with the wood preservative. So this is our timber that you're going to use tomorrow for when we're doing roofing, and we have already preserved it so that in the near future our timber will not get damaged in case in one way or the other. So in the next step we have roofing. So this is our house. We have done block work 22 days. We have done block work of this mansion for only 22 days. Only 22 days. As you can see the design, you can see how it is. You want to be given a good design, good house, very well arranged, look for us. So you can see this is the balcony. The appearance of the balcony, you can see we have flowered it. This is our entrance. This is our entrance, you can see. This is the sitting room. Everything, every kind of block work is done. We are only left with roofing so that we can begin doing plastering and finishing of our house. So this is our house, definitely. This is our house. You can see the dining hall. You can see the sitting room. I'll always tell you, because you will have, even while watching your video, you will have to walk around our house. Just while watching, you'll be walking around our house. That's why I always remind you about the rooms that we are walking in. This is our sitting. This is the corridor. You can see this is the corridor. Now from the entrance, this is the corridor that will provide us an entrance, the main entrance to the house. Now giving us direction to the to what we call sitting room, giving us a direction to the dining room. As we move on, we meet another corridor here. That will now take us to the rooms like this one. This is the master room. This is the master room. A master room is ensuite. With the master toilet. This is the master toilet and bathroom. Here, I said our master room is ensuite. So we are done with everything. Block work, wall masonry, we are done. Tomorrow we will begin with roofing. We'll cast what you have done on roofing as from tomorrow, and every day we will be giving you a step by step on how we are doing our roofing. We are doing things professionally. We need to give our client significant results after joining our work. So this is our this is our master bedroom. Again, we walk around, we find this is the corridor inclusive of the closet, a corridor that has got a WC, you can see. And then here we go, we have the main, this is the guest toilet, common toilet. The guest and even anybody can access this kind of toilet without going to the master room. So here we go, we have Bedroom 2, we have another bedroom here. This is another bedroom, spacious. As we move on, we get into another bedroom. This is another bedroom, and I want you to be categorical. I want to be categorically specific that our rooms are well ventilated. I want to tell you people that our rooms are well ventilated. That's why we have a large window. We have large windows here. We have this one. We have this one. Perhaps having this, we also have vents. Where we're going to put our vents. So it means that we have put enough sufficient ventilation in this house. There is no any altitude complication. Maybe you have pressure, you have low or level of oxygen. Our house is well ventilated. The way we are doing the construction building, we consider all the health complications. So anybody with any health complication must fit to this house, And also now, through that corridor, we get into the kitchen. So this is our kitchen, as you can see. A kitchen, here's a serving window. This is a serving window that will help us serve the food from the kitchen to the dining room. So this is where we are going to use our food, to get our food from the kitchen to the dining room. And this one will help us not having people access the rooms, the kitchen, to come and get food. So we just supply food directly. Again, our kitchen has got pantry. So there is enough in case you need to store. There is enough space that you are going to do your storage here. So this is our kitchen pantry. As we go, this is the rear entry. This is the exit. We call it exit, the rear exit. So now from the main to the kitchen, to the rear porch through the kitchen. So here we have our rear porch. This is our rear porch, the kitchen yard now, where the kitchen appliances will be done. So this is our rear porch, the kitchen yard. You want to store food, even charcoal, whatever, anything for the kitchen that's not necessary inside the kitchen, we are going to put here. We will show you when doing on finishing how beautiful it is going to be. So today I want to move us around our house. So this is our house when we are outside now. This is our house. As you can see, every corner I have included columns. I have included RCC columns. This is reinforced cement concrete, RCC columns, and it's well reinforced. You can see I've also included beams where necessary. You can see this is a beam which is also flowered and supported with two rubber columns, two rubber RCC columns. So they are reinforced, and they are round. So it means the column is very, very strong. Now we want to move around. I've shown you what I've done in every corner of this house. Then it means our house is well reinforced. I've also maintained the span of our house, whereby you can see at the span of every 2.4 meters, I've included also a column. So you can see that we have a column in between the large span of our house, after putting the columns in every corner. So we need to move around. We are moving around our house. You can see this is behind now the house. This is behind the house, whereby I did piping during when we were setting out the slab. I did piping, so already we have our pipes. So this is our south elevation, whereby we have the master toilet and master bathroom. So I don't know if I can move around here because I've put a perimeter wall, but you can just cast. So this is our hall. This is our east elevation now. This is our east elevation, and also don't forget that we give enough sufficient curing to our house. As you can see, our walls are very wet. Despite now Garissa is a very hot receives hot condition, we have our walls kept wet for curing purpose. So we've also given specified the curing period, whereby during plaster we'll have to talk with you. So now here comes the northwest elevation. Here comes the northwest elevation, whereby because of light and sufficient air, I decided to put an L-shaped window. So this is an L-shaped window which I put here. So this is the north elevation. As you can see, this is the north elevation. So for today, I wanted to tell you, my guys, that this is so far where we have reached. If you want to get us, reach us through 0768 730 282. For more information, you can my producer will tell you more about our work. Don't forget to share, like, and even comment to our photos. We would really appreciate for your criticism. Thank you, good people.